Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting and empowering topic: self-empowered wellness through biohacking. In a world where traditional healthcare models are evolving, biohacking offers individuals a unique way to take control of their health and well-being. So let's explore how you can harness the power of biohacking to become the best version of yourself. First off, what exactly is biohacking? At its core, biohacking is about making lifestyle adjustments, leveraging technology, and engaging in personal experimentation to optimize both physical and mental health. It emphasizes individual agency, allowing you to tailor your wellness journey based on your unique needs. A key aspect of biohacking is the personalized approach. Each of us has our own biological makeup. This means what works for one person may not necessarily work for another. Biohacking helps identify your specific needs and tailors interventions accordingly. Using data-driven decisions is essential in biohacking. With tools like wearable technology and health trackers, you can gather valuable insights about your body. For instance, tracking your heart rate during workouts or monitoring your sleep cycles can lead to informed choices that enhance your overall health. Next, let's talk about lifestyle modifications. This means optimizing your diet, exercise, sleep, and stress management techniques based on your individual goals. Whether it's adjusting your daily meals or implementing a new workout routine, biohacking encourages you to listen to your body and adapt accordingly. Technology integration plays a significant role in this journey. From apps that track your food intake to devices that monitor your sleep quality, the right technology can guide your wellness interventions effectively. Some biohackers even dive into DIY biology. This hands-on experimentation can involve using open-source resources and affordable equipment to explore personal health in new ways. However, it's essential to remain informed and cautious as you venture into this territory. Speaking of caution, we must address the ethical considerations that come with biohacking. Practices involving DIY biology can raise questions about safety and efficacy. Always prioritize your health and consult professionals when necessary. Unlock the secret to enhancing your brain health today. Dive into the description box for exclusive insights that can help rejuvenate your memory, sharpen your focus, and elevate your mental clarity. Don't miss out on this opportunity to support your cognitive well-being. Take action now and discover how our product can transform your mental performance. Your brain deserves it. Let's look at some popular biohacking practices. Nutritional optimization can involve tailoring your diet based on genetic testing or monitoring your blood glucose levels. You might also consider sleep optimization through wearable technology to track your sleep patterns. And don't forget stress management techniques like mindfulness and meditation. Additionally, practices like cold water therapy and red light therapy are gaining traction for their potential benefits to cardiovascular and immune health. These innovative methods provide exciting avenues for enhancing your wellness journey. Biohacking is truly revolutionizing how we approach health and wellness. It empowers you to take control and make informed decisions about your body. But remember, as you embark on this journey, proceed with caution and seek guidance when needed. Together, we can navigate the world of biohacking and unlock our full potential. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into self-empowered wellness. Until next time, take care.